There's nothing like starting the new year off with some organization, so I'm gonna do a quick organizational project today that's going to make a huge difference. I don't know about you, but I hate like the charging cords and everything for all of our electronic devices. I hate reaching for new ones and messing around in a drawer. I hate leaving them out on countertops where it just looks like a mess. And I've tried a couple of different things over the years to corral them, and none of it's ever worked or looked that good. So I'm gonna try something new today that I'm really excited about that I think is going to solve this problem. A few different places where I keep all of the cords. This is one of the main places. I work downstairs on the couch on the dining room table, and so I keep like my iPad, my laptop, everything just kind of here. The cables are always everywhere, and I seriously hate it. When guests come over, I will throw everything in this cabinet, but I just usually throw it here because it's easier to access the plug. So this is like issue number 1. This is issue number 2. So this is our mudroom. It's kind of tucked way back here, so I thought that this would be a really great solution. That's why I put this outlet here. I kind of wanted this to be our charging station, but it just didn't really work out. We usually end up throwing cords in here. Like, we have so many cords in here. They usually end up getting thrown here. We kind of change them out for this one like plug part. So again, it just always looks like a mess, and I want it tucked away because obviously we use this space a lot. So having all of this here is just not useful. Here is the solution. When I built this, I purposefully kept outlets back behind the drawers so that I could do some in drawer outlet charging stations, and I'm going to be working on that today. We really quickly filled all of these drawers except this one. It actually still has all of my project materials in it, but we're gonna change that today and make this our little in drawer charging station. I love it. I'm still playing with how I want to organize, but like I have some like cords back here and then electronics, but I mainly just love how many things it can charge at one time. So it has like the USB, USB, normal plug, and then the little fan. So I can just like leave cords in here, plug things in and out. It's so great.